634, 635, 636.
Hello? Didn't see you there. Of a vehicle, be aware. Am I alone? Do I have space? There's no one. There's that one truck in front of me. Yeah, I got space. A little bit of oncoming traffic. I don't know this turn. I can't gauge it. It doesn't look terrible. And open. Wow, this is a great place to open it up. Very secluded. Okay. That shouldn't have made me happy, but it did. Oh, I feel so squiddish. Alright, let's see more traffic. Let's ease up. Let's ease up. There's more people around. I don't want to put them at danger with my stupidity. I actually heard sirens up here, so let me chill out. Are we enjoying the view? Are we enjoying the blue? I'm gonna move over, sir. Thank you. Other sirs, possibly ma'ams. Oh, hold on, truck. I wasn't done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My brother and like 3 other people told me that I don't stay in 6th gear when I'm on the highway. Honestly, if I was in a car, it would have bugged me as well. Look at these trees. It's not spring yet, so it's not as green as it can be. All this dead. Look at that. All that dead. Dead previous greenery. My hand got numb. I had the tingly hand and I wasn't covering my brake, which is a bad habit of mine. I don't cover it. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, this is more of a ride along. Don't have a topic in mind. And honestly, I think that's going to be the structure of mine. I'll upload a video with a topic, with an actual thing to talk about. And the next video will end up being more of a ride along. I'll either take you with me to where I'm going and, you know, just be myself, be a little doofus, or I'll just let you hear the bike, see the ride. I gotta get a Puig, a double bubble windscreen, double bubble, because because this wind is smacking me right in my neck. I don't know why, but I guess this wind is thinking that I said choke me, daddy, because this thing is slicing my neck, bro. It's nice to just flow with the traffic. I love this. Look at all this open space between me and the next car, and then behind me I don't have someone right up on my ass. Has anybody watched Initial D? I grew up watching Initial D, and I've rewatched it again, and apparently there's this new anime called I think Ghost MP, and Takumi Fujiwara is like the guy's like trainer or like coach or something like that of the new main character. And then, you know, Keisuke Takahashi's in there, Kenta and his annoying self. Man, like it's just, and you get to hear about Takumi Fujiwara's story of, you know, after Initial D, he became like a rally driver, and he ended up getting in an accident, and it ended up ending his career, but he did end up becoming a champion beforehand. It's pretty sick. It even shows like the new guys, like new four-wheel drift, which was Takumi Fujiwara's signature drift, and then like it shocks everybody like when he does it, because they're like, that style, it can't be the four-wheel drift of Takumi Fujiwara. Oh, the wind, and then these little things on the floor. Oh, that was scary. Oh, the wind pushed me to the right, and then I ended up going along with the mark, the concrete rays on the floor. But you shake it off, get over it, go back. It stinks. You know what? I don't like riding on the highway sometimes because of all of the different scents. You get scents from cars. You get people smoking, like smoking cigarettes and stuff. And you smell that all over the place, mixed with car fumes, fumes from all this construction going on. You get all these different smells happening. You may drive by, I don't know, maybe like some more farm-ish areas where you smell just the nature farm animals and their manure and everything, you know. It's just too many different scents. And then if you have like a cologne on and you have it like sprayed on your neck and you smell it coming up your helmet, and you got all these different smells coming up, it could really get annoying. I kind of want some Mickey D's. Nah, gotta stay away from that garbage. I just did the little beginner waddle when I was coming up to that stop just now. I just did the little beginner waddle. Oh man, I'm gonna stop putting newish rider in my videos because I am still a new rider, but I realize that I'm speaking to all of you at times like I'm not a beginner rider, and I'm telling you like what to do and stuff like that. So I'm gonna stop putting newish rider on my page. And if you know that I'm new, awesome. And if you think that I've been riding forever, then I think that's just a compliment to me. Are you giving me a thumbs up? That's awesome. Thanks, Brody. Oh, people are so nice. I know that feeling because I definitely do that when I'm in my car. Even before I had my bike, I would just stick my arm out the window and be like, yo, thumbs up or something, you know, like just try to give them acknowledgement that, one, you're on a motorcycle and I like it. Two, I like your motorcycle. Three, I wish I had one and I'm completely jelly of you without any peanut butter. You know, like, oh, that's a good feeling. I think that's like the third or fourth time that's ever happened to me, and I'm feeling really giddy inside right now. That kid just made my freaking day, man. I'm so excited to not be a bachelor anymore, to be married. Oh, a single life, the dating life, no, not for me. Done with it. It's too frustrating. It's too much heartbreak. I'm a nice person with a big heart, a warm, big heart, and I don't like being heartbroken. And I don't like to break other people's hearts either. It's hard because I'm a nice person, man. I'm just a good, nice human being. And I have my moments where I'm crazy. I have my moments where I'm not so nice. I have my moments where I'm actually batshit insane. But overall, I'm a nice, caring, genuine person. And that whole dating life stuff, glad that's over with. I got my forever. I got the one I'm gonna be with the rest of my life, and that makes me the happiest and luckiest guy on earth. And I am now part of the I am now part of the huge span of people who have found their forever. I'm a lucky human being.